Welcome to your post-fight cool down. I want you to use this cool down after all of your workouts, and you can even use it on your rest day. So let's stretch it out. What is this? This is you showing up for your post-fight cool down. I am so proud because stretching is just as important as all of your workouts, correct? All right, I have Amanda and Mish with me. Bring your feet a little wider than hip distance apart. We're just going to move our head side to side, stretching out that neck. After a lot of boxing, after strength training, after all your workouts, we hold a lot of tension in our shoulders and in our neck. I know I do. I'm sure a lot of you do as well. So this is really nice. Give me a few more, 4 more. Here's 3, last 2. We're gonna take this arm right here and just give me an arm swing. Open up that shoulder and open up that chest. That should also feel good. We spend a lot of time in that fighting stance. We can be a little hunched over. Perfect. Give me 4 more. Here's 3. Last 2. Now turn it into a bicep stretch. Gently pull on the palm of your hand, stretching out that bicep. Maybe you did a little heavy weight today. I'm not sure, but I'm sure that feels good no matter what you did. Now, bring it into a shoulder stretch all the way across your body. Keeping those knees soft, your abs tight. Now let's walk those fingers down your spine. And we're gonna deepen this stretch. I want you to step that foot back, whatever hand you have behind you. Gently pull on that elbow. So you're feeling that stretch through your quad, through your hip, through your oblique, and then all the way through that tricep. Perfect. Release it, forward and back with that head. Keeping your knees soft. Doesn't that feel good?
Ooh. Yeah.
Give me 4 more. Here's 3. Release as far as you can go. Range of motion, of course, is always up to you. Last 1, and release that opposite arm right here. Opening up your shoulder, opening up that chest. You want to slightly squeeze those shoulder blades together. I know, I can't stress it enough how important stretching is. Give me 2 more. Last 1, thread it through for that bicep stretch. So we don't talk about overtraining enough, but it is a real thing and it has some really nasty side effects. It really does, and it can cause injury, which I have 2 herniations in my neck because of overtraining. I didn't listen to my body. So take your regeneration days, take them seriously. It's so important to give your body a break. You work so hard, and this is just as important. So feel that stretch all along the front side of your body. Keep pulling and holding it, and release. We're gonna go into a little lateral stretch right here. I want you to sink into your heels, sink into your hips, and just push. Nice fluid movement, and we're feeling your hamstrings open up, right?
Yes.
Yeah. You're also feeling your hips open up as well. Just take it a little bit lower, keeping your back tall. Do what feels good for you. Just give me a few more right here. All right, 4 more, and push. 3, 2, let's take that foot together. Now we're gonna do a little standing quad. Find your balance, find your heart center, push through your hips, push through your chest, keeping your knee, your standing leg slightly soft. Now, bring that foot down, come into a hamstring stretch. Take your time once you get down there, grab your toe deep in that stretch, head's neutral. Take a big breath in, exhale, then take it a little bit deeper. 1 more big breath in, and sink into that stretch just a little bit lower. Beautiful work. Stay hinged forward, switch up your feet. Grab your toe deep in that stretch. Give me that big breath in, big breath out through the mouth, and sink a little deeper into that stretch. Another big breath in through the nose, out through the mouth, and take it a little bit deeper. Perfect. Roll it up slowly. Take your time with that. Opposite quad. Once you find your balance, find that heart center. Push through your hips, push through your chest. Hold it just a few seconds longer. Drop that leg. And we're going to take 3 final breaths all together with your right arm. Give me a big breath in through the nose. Big breath out through the mouth, and I want you to repeat after me. I am strong.
I am strong.
Yes, you are. With your opposite arm, big breath in through the nose, big breath out through the mouth. Leave your hand out there and repeat after me. I am confident.
I am confident.
Yes, you are. With both hands, big breath in through the nose. One final breath out through the mouth. Leave your hands out there and repeat after me. I am capable of absolutely anything.
I am capable of absolutely anything.
Yes, you are. You are amazing, and I will see you at your next sweat sesh.